kalokohan to. I-try na nga natin kung totoo yan. Meron na akong 3 shades dito. Let's go.
This is the O2O Air Cushioned BB Cream in the shade Pink White. As usual, it has a very elegant packaging. It has a free mirror and free puff. And when you open it, there's the product. Subukan na natin yan mga be. Gusto kong gamitin itong maliit nilang puff. This is not free by the way. Ayan na yung product. So excited to try it. Tignan mo naman yan be. Grabe, diba? Yung coverage talaga yung pinaka-highlight dito. And look at that. It is really high to medium coverage. Wow!
Tingnan mo naman yung difference. Ito yung before, tapos ito yung after. Grabe, wala nang blemishes. Na-cover niya talaga yung mga